Well, straight behind a rather dismal sand pickup result for this Red Dirt Devil Classic, let's try something I hope gets a lot better results because of its incredible nozzle airflow. Let's do 10 grams of baking soda. Very, very fine dust simulation here. So if you didn't see any earlier tests, this has over 120 CFM using one of these Bissell HEPA bags. And I'm hoping it's going to pick up like crazy with its fine dust. Okay, I'll say 41.38 grams. So let me reset up the camera and let's get started. Okay, keep your fingers crossed. So there goes 10 grams. And there really goes 10 grams. Gone. Set to medium pile, because that's my carpet. Here we go with 10 full passes. I saw the baking soda start to come up. I did not see that with the sand. Okay, we started out with 41.38 grams. And I guess I need to move you closer so you can see what this reads. I hope it's good. Well, it's certainly better than 17%, which was the sand pickup. Okay, I'm going to call it at get that focus locked. 48.66. We'll do that. And then I will subtract 41.38. 38. Okay, much better. So 7.28 out of 10 grams. So that ends up being 72.8, or we can just call it 73%. So much better. And that kind of makes sense because I measured so much airflow with this machine. It was tremendous. But it seems like maybe, now see, Mikko from Finland, his channel suggested maybe it would be beneficial if it had a height adjustment between low and medium, maybe like, say medium low or something like that, where the power nozzle sat down on the carpet just a little bit more, because we aren't getting enough agitation for sand, but for baking soda it seems to work out just fine. So that's a really good result. That's probably why it did fairly good in the whole house cleaning, is because it does have so much airflow and it has some agitation, but it's not really a whole lot. So This is a good dust picker upper to use non-perfect English. All right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.